Hello, siblings, beloveds. Um, I'm just going to do this quick video because I just have a couple minutes. I'm going to use 2.1 vocabulary, and you just let me know if this method in general works. What I'm going to do is I'm going to show you each word from my flashcards that I've made. I'm going to pronounce it. I'll pronounce it 3 times and then give a little pause. So maybe you can pronounce it with me 3 times, and then I'm going to pause to give you time to pronounce it yourself, to only hear your own voice. Okay, let's give it a try. Okay. Hago. The emphasis is on the first syllable. Okay. Now we're going to do it. Ready? 4 times or 3 times. Hago. 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 Okay. And hago means I lead. And I remember it, my little mnemonic device is I think like Southern, like I go before. If I'm a leader, I go before. I go. All right, next one is akuo. 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 That was kind of fast. I'll slow it down. Akuo. 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 Okay. So I hear acoustics, right? Acoustics. You mind me of that one? Blepo. Blepo. Forgot to put the accent mark on my card, but it's on the first syllable. Sorry. I got to get used to the format. Blepo. 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 And you. And notice we have that omega at the end. So you actually get the long O sound. Of course, in English, we've only got one character that does all of our short and our long O sounds, and we have that bossy E or silent E that we used to tell us to use like the long sound. But in Greek with the O's, O sounds, you have the A with the omicron and then the long O sound with the omega, right? Oh, I see, blepo. I just remember I see a blip on the screen. That's my mnemonic device. Okay. Echo. 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 You could also say it echo. 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 And it means I have. And I remember it by saying, I have an echo. Luo. 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 I loose or destroy. So it's kind of a cognate, luo, loose. It also, for me, since I speak Spanish, it sounds like Leo, which is like a disaster, a crazy mess is a Leo. So that's how I remember that one, Leo. Okay, now let's do some of those nouns. Okay, now we're going to get into some rough breathing marks, right? We've got our rough breathing mark over our omicron there. So, ha-angalas. Oh, we need to remember that too. Gamma, gamma together makes that sound, like in the back of your throat. Ng, we would say use for in English, but So, ha-angalas. Ha-angalas. And it's not angalos, because there's no omega there. It's omicron. Ha-angalas. 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 Yes. Okay, so it just sounds like angel, messenger. Angel, messenger, angelas. Okay? Ha-adelfas. So we've got again an ah sound, but the accent is there. So ha-adelfas. 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 Yeah, brother. You can remember Philadelphia. Ready? Philadelphia is the city of brotherly love. So adelfas. Hadulas. 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 Yeah. Slave or servant. I remember that because I've had 3 children, birthed 3 children naturally, and I had a doula to help me get through. A doula. All right. All right, here we go. Hakarpas. 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 Yeah. Um, I've got the weirdest thing to remember this. Anyone else is a Trekkie? The Klingons, to say I love you, Klingons say karpacha. So I just remember Klingons sure do love fruit. There's a picture into my brain, maybe a little scary. Okay, all right. Halagas, halagas, halagas. Now notice it's lagas, ah. It's not logos, even though many of us have been to churches that have a program and they call it logos. But look, it's not logos, okay? It's lagas, halagas, halagas. All right, so let me know if that was helpful, if that format in general, and I'll get, the camera set up better and all that sort of thing. But let me know if that format is helpful. Okay.